starting with the general form, which is not the best form of the equation, because it really just tells us a and maybe the y-intercept, which is not a symmetrical point. So we're going to start with that, and we want to change it to the graphing form, right? And the graphing form, remember, is our vertex form. So ax minus p squared plus q. Okay, sometimes you use k and h, or h and k. So what we want to do is we want to figure out how we can go from this general form to this square form. And notice that there's this square here. So we want to be able to make this square. So how do we make this square part so that we can get the graphing form? And this method is called completing the square. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this this website here, to the GeoGebra site. The class code is going to be this one here. Actually, depending on, you may be given a different class code, okay? But you're going to need a class code for that. And you're going to go through the different tasks and play around with the sliders and see how we complete the square. So what the goal is then is to algebraically make this square, which is also physically making a square. So you're going to go through this this little activity, and we're going to look at some of these properties afterwards, and then we'll practice doing this algebraically on our own.